Guys, I want a staking platform. One kind of sonar plan museum, and this I'm kind of say, Savelo trade them. You just put him dollar or staking platform. Plenty blue, write them all scams or when I'm plan start now, that's what I'm saying. Sunset, you stake na, you keke Arab number na, relax number na. Online campaign, ben number, then problem lol. Islam sem risk ya, you online with taking risk na, you make it invest $10 na, you make. Kisin $2 gone na. Time em come na yan blame em. Uset you come late and problem do now. So I want to staking platform me make dar shares to me gonna me find mo sa the right platform and basta long the time. Because something you share ma, you know on private team share link now. If the order join and basta $10. Okay, calculation do and basta 180 days. Daily income them and to the $2.60. So total revenue about $468. So me back me like is like $10 now. So me go inside, me tap in research, tap in BIP20, and now me copy wallet. Me go back to Binance. Okay, now me got $27 low pending account to me. So me sell $10 go inside. Me la research now. Okay, me paste him this wallet address lo ya. Me tap in BIP20. Yeah, network and BIP20, so you must be in straight. Same network and or something for flow straight, but no have problem. $10. Okay, tap in withdraw. Okay, me tap in withdraw now. Okay. Okay. So put in password the phone to me. Sorry. It's Binance too. I'm got strong security and may blame lock. So time to withdraw to buy the password lo withdraw. That's why I trusted this la Binance FM la nice la FM can only any cryptocurrency instead CSM can only sample crypto app minus or even one bell. This la the nice la one Binance. Legit. Withdraw and process tab. Me withdraw him la $10. Me withdraw him golo. Sorry, I'm on the $507. I asked me Salim out na mix coins. Okay. Withdraw cost tab. Yeah, me withdraw. Okay, I'm complete now. Okay, I'm complete. Me go back and look come back to here. Me check him total investment. Sorry, wait. Me come to invest. Tap him invest $10. Tap him. Me tap him invest. Okay, successful now. Look him. And finish. And you got even solution and finish. So you stop that one now. Look him. Today income $2.2 $0.60. So me try looking. Me look balance. Okay. Me try make you withdraw and me looking. Tap in withdraw. BIP20. Okay. TRC select withdrawal method. Head wallet. Wait, select BIP20. Okay. We must put in enter. Please enter the network address. Okay, me go back in. Me try me give him the withdraw again, come back in and me look him. And now me put the gun chat out to me give him the withdraw so. Me try. Add pand. You lock up in wallet address pin, you add pand. Tap him USDT. BIP20. My same network. BIP20 lab, BIP20 low. This is the network where you transfer. So you must use the same network so everything okay. Okay, me paste him there. Okay, transaction password. Okay. At type. Okay. Confirm. Me try tap him submit withdraw. Okay, I'm success. Okay, me looking the withdraw bago. Me looking. Okay, I'm success finish. Me try looking. Okay, I'm talk account withdraw 2.60. I'm stop Okay, me try go looking. And through this la 2.60 come on what? I'm coming by start los spots. Hey, start now, please. Okay, me wait. No, BIP20. Withdrawal amount. Sorry, we make a loss to me 2.60. Select wallet and wallet stop. Password. I'm entering password. Okay. Withdraw P and looking M0 looking and straight. So a new platform now to mix him too so. Me make a research gonna me find him so. Somebody like mistake me working amel but I'm so same. Okay, me take confirm withdraw now. I'm told now. Look him. M0 lawyer. Me ta look withdraw. I'm back on chat now. Okay. Okay, you me looking. I'm back a lawyer. And me talk on him come stop. And $2. I'm come stop. Okay. $2 I'm come stop. Deposit successful. Nice one. Walk out. Come inside. Look him. I'm just like what I withdraw looking. Miss heavy withdraw me make him stop. Okay. Okay, looking companies. I'm told na thank you lo time you browse to watch this video. Link can stop. You like him and me can give link to you. Something now at me start him so if you like him and me play him link and if you are me flow no stuff. I'm saying say you should invest them. Throw me $10 to link lab na la generate.